Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, today we're jumping into one of those mobile games you see everywhere. It's called Tile Explorer. And the big hook, it promises you can earn cash by matching tiles. Mm, mm, uh. So using the sources you sent in, our mission is basically to figure out if this whole play and earn thing is legit or if it's, well, as one source put it, weapons-grade nonsense.
Right. And what's really interesting here is how it works. The conflict is, you've got this free game, it plays well, looks nice. The tile matching is actually pretty engaging. But then there's the other side, the reality of actually getting any cash out. That's where it gets tricky.
Okay, so let's break down that promise first. The ads make it look great, right? Triple tile matching, thousands of levels, completely free. You play, you match 3 tiles, you get these little coins piling up. And the sources do say, yeah, the basic game loop, it's actually pretty fun. It works.
Oh, it works. All right. It works to keep you playing. But that fun part, that's sort of setting you up for the next stage, the ad grind. We looked at player forums, reviews, and the harsh truth pops up pretty quick. People are saying they watch tons of ads, like loads, and they complete hundreds of levels. One person even estimated they watch like maybe 50+ ads for every single level they beat. Think about that.
50 ads per level. Wow. Okay, but if they're beating levels and watching ads, what stops them cashing out? Is it just that the amount you need is, like, super high?
It's actually worse than just being high. The whole withdrawal claim feels, well, unsubstantiated. Because those thresholds, they aren't fixed. We found reports that the reward table keeps moving upwards. So say you're grinding away, getting close to maybe $50 or $100, suddenly, boom, you need way more coins, or you have to reach a much higher level. It's like the finish line just keeps moving further away.
Oh, okay, so it's not just hard to reach, it's designed to be unreachable. That feels deliberately misleading.
Yeah. It basically makes the core promise the cash out not really credible, doesn't it? Because the goalposts are always shifting. Or maybe they were hidden to begin with.
Right, despite all that time you're putting in, all those ads you're watching.
Exactly. Which brings us to the real business model, What's actually going on? Those earning claims, they're just bait. The whole setup isn't really about paying you. It's all about engagement and, crucially, ad revenue for them.
So while you think you're earning, you're actually just watching ads for their benefit.
Pretty much. You watch 50 ads, maybe they make a few cents, maybe more from the advertisers based on like cost per mil impressions. You're basically trading your time and your attention, which are super valuable online, directly for their ad revenue, not for a real paycheck.
So the fun gameplay isn't the point, it's just the tool.
It's weaponized, yeah. It keeps you hooked just long enough for them to cash in on your eyeballs, basically, but never long enough for you to cash out. So, the takeaway. Treat any money you see in the game as virtual points. Fun money, not real cash. If you're going in expecting a substantial payout, well, it's effectively a scam in that sense, even if the game itself works.
Okay, crystal clear. The fun puzzle part is real. Enjoy that if you want. But the earning potential, that's the illusion. Definitely buyer beware if money's the goal.
Right. And that kind of leads to the bigger thought we wanted to leave you with. Think about where your time and attention actually go online. Next time you see one of these play and earn games pop up, just remember, you're likely the product being sold, not the one getting paid. Ask yourself, if you watched dozens, maybe hundreds of ads for levels, and that payout target kept moving or was just impossible to find, was your time, your attention really worth that exchange?
Definitely something to think about. Okay, that wraps up this deep dive. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.